all reposts on TikTok at once. 2025 Updated Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for simple and clear step-by-step tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all your reposts on TikTok at once, using the updated 2025 method. Let's begin. First, let's understand the problem. TikTok doesn't have a direct delete all reposts button, but there's a smart way to remove them quickly without going one by one for hours. Here's how you can do it easily. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile. Tap the Repost tab. It looks like two arrows forming a circle. Here, you'll see all the videos you've reposted. Step 2. To remove a repost manually, open any video from this list. Tap the share icon, the arrow on the right side, then tap Remove Repost. This instantly deletes that repost from your account. Step 3. To delete multiple reposts faster, use the Watch History section. Go to Profile menu, 3 lines, Settings and Privacy, Watch History. Here you'll find all recently viewed and reposted videos. You can open each reposted video and quickly remove them one by one. It's faster than scrolling through your profile. Step 4. Clear your repost data for a clean start. Go to Settings and Privacy, Cache and Cellular Data, free up space. Tap Clear Cache to remove leftover repost data from your account. Step 5. Optional. If you don't want to repost videos accidentally in the future, go to Settings, Privacy, Repost. Then toggle off the repost feature. This will prevent you from reposting by mistake. Bonus tip. TikTok may release a bulk repost removal feature soon, so keep your app updated. To stay ready, always use the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. And that's it! You've now learned how to delete all your reposts on TikTok using the latest method in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more quick tech fixes. This is How to Mastery, helping you master every how-to step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.